Alright guys, we got another unboxing. Label reads Women's Air Jordan 3 Retro OG SP Black Flat Pewter. Yes sir, y'all know by the box, y'all can tell what it is. Super dope box there, I like that. How it open up. You open it up and it has the A and a 10. You have a Jordan symbol on the side, Converse and Nike. Open that thing up. Y'all don't see plenty of this, but that thing is shining. Good Lord. You got this burgundy cloth here for royalty. There you go. You got the shoe. Yeah, sir. I like that. It does come with an extra pair of shoelaces, which are cell colorway. I like the Nike hanging tag on the side. The other hanging tag reads Maniere. And my fingernails are dirty. I did just get out of work. Quality goods. It's just their literature on there. I like these rural looking color right here. The A on the tongue. That smooth buttery leather wrapped around the medial side all the way to the toe box area. Wrapped around all the way to the look at that shit. I don't know what the hell. I'm gonna put some leather juice on here or something, boy. Why is that white? Y'all got a defect part. That's why y'all had so many. But either way, I put some leather oil on that bitch. I got 2 pair coming anyway, so I don't give a shit. Nike Air on the back. Got a cell midsole. Cell inside the bubble. You have the cell at the bottom, gray, and that pewter color at the bottom. On your outsole, you have A's on the inside. I don't know if y'all can see that, but there are little A's on the insole. You have this. What is this? What would you call that material? I forget, guys. I'm so sorry. I'm hot as shit. I'll come back to it, but you got the A's wrapped around this inside this tongue also. Let's see. The other shoe, I believe. Damn, did I get double laces? So they knew my shit was fucked up. They give me another, yeah. Unless they did, that's for everybody. I think they might have did. So you got 2 different color laces. You got a cell and a pewter color laces. And on this tongue, you got the Jumpman with a little booty out. This shit crazy. Jumpman, little booty out. They always say the booty at the back, but he got his little booty out on these one. What the fuck going on? Alright, he got this suede wrapped around the heel. All the way around the toe box there. They straight shoes, they ain't all that. Oh yeah, see that white again. But it's some good leather though. You can see the marbling on there. That crushed velvet on the inside of that motherfucker, huh? Black shoelaces. So yeah, that's the shoe, man. It is hot as shit out here in Florida. I'm finna take my ass back in the house. Well, I'm taking my ass in the house because I just got to work. But y'all see my face right now? Sheesh. I love the way this box is. I'm fucking everything. I'm just too hot, y'all. I ain't gonna lie to you. I'm too hot. Let me put that back over there. I'll fix it up when I go back in the house, get y'all a video in the crib. But that's it. Maniere 3s. They dope. I got one coming for trade bait. I'll check y'all next time. Peace.